Good evening, Dr. Kaiser. I've already taken care of your human behavior and organization course, but just taking you through the process one more time because I had already deleted out the original gradebook column for this class. What we're going to do is click on your Management 400 Entrepreneurship and Small Business. We're going to go to your Grade Center, Full Grade Center, which you will actually notice with your Full Grade Center is this course requirement checklist is still present. Because you had a student that took it and it is no longer there, we're going to need to delete it out because we've actually lost the relationship between your course checklist and the original assessment. Hit OK. It's deleted out, as you see. So what we're going to do is go to your folder assignments. Reason I went to assignments because in course documents, as you see, I see you have material. We're going to put it here in assignments. What we're going to do is go into assessments test. You'll see the course requirements checklist is still in your create test option because of the way that I created it. Hit submit. You'll notice with this, I'm going to remove this language here. One, because I don't have your syllabus, so it can't be in your syllabus. But most importantly, to kind of ease a lot of people's concerns of me forcing them to provide a grade. So we're going to show the description. We're going to open it in a new test. We're going to make it available. We're going to add an announcement. We're going to click display. We're going to change that to the 22nd. End of day, which is 11:59 p.m. We're going to make the due date 22nd, 11:59 p.m. As we continue to scroll down, you'll notice some of these other options I don't really bother with a lot. One of them, we're going to remove the test and grade center score calculations. We're not going to bother show test results or test presentation. I want it to show all at once. So we have it back here. What we're going to do is just move it up to the front because, again, it's to be completed by the 22nd. We are going to go to your grade center one more time. When we go into your grade center, we're going to scroll down to it. Here you'll see it. First thing I'm going to do is edit column information. When I edit your column information, I'm going to change the primary display from score to complete and incomplete. As you see, due date the 22nd, 12:59. It's not in your grade center calculation. There is a column for students to see it, and we hit submit. After hitting submit, so students know to go ahead and do it, we're going to send them a reminder. So you select send reminder. So we're going to send it to your 17 students. And that takes care of how to bring back up the course checklist. Thank you.